Tax reform is a way for the government to boost revenue at a time when the global situation is becoming increasingly uncertain. For this reason, the Ministry of Finance ensures that it also encourages the Directorate General of Taxes to support the growth of the tax base.
The Ministry of Finance ensures that it continues to push forward the tax reform agenda in order to maintain economic growth amid global uncertainty. Expert staff of the Ministry of Finance in the field of tax compliance, Yon Arsal, explained that tax reform is the government's efforts to maintain future economic recovery and growth. Yon said that this step was taken by encouraging an increase in domestic taxes through tax reform, with the presence of the law on the harmonizations of tax regulations. However, Yon ensured that the Directorate General of Taxes would not only encourage revenue without maintaining the growth of the tax base itself. So that in the work program of the Directorate General of Taxes, there is a program to increase the capacity of the business sector, which is carried out by the Directorate General of Taxes in encouraging the growth of the tax base in the future.
Mentioned before, it's not necessarily only to collect revenue, but in sometimes, like what we experienced during the pandemic 2020 and 2021, 2022, DGTs, Minister of Finance, not really necessarily being given the job to collect revenue, which is the main job, of course. But at the same time, DGT has also has to play also a role in supporting the economy, inducing the growth, and something like that. It is very interesting.
Yon confirmed that the Finance Ministry is also pushing for various tax incentives through a series of tax exemption policies in various sectors during this pandemic. This ultimately makes the business sector have better resilience when economic shocks occur. From Jakarta, Rajo Patmo for IDX Channel.